Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Etsy ads to listings for higher conversion rates step by step clearly. To connect Etsy ads to your listings for higher conversion rates, start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Manager section located on the top right corner. In the Shop Manager, look for the Marketing tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Marketing tab to expand the options. Select Etsy ads from the drop-down menu. Once on the Etsy ads page, you will see an overview of your current ad performance. Look for the button labeled Edit Listings. Click on Edit Listings to see all your active listings. You will now see a list of your shop's items. Decide which listings you want to promote through Etsy ads. For each listing, you will see a checkbox. Check the box next to each listing you want to include in your ad campaign. Once you've selected the listings, locate the Enable Etsy Ads option. Toggle the switch to enable ads for the selected listings. Now, set your daily budget for the ad campaign. Consider starting with a small amount to test effectiveness. After setting your budget, review your selected listings to ensure they are optimized with relevant keywords. Check that your item titles, descriptions, and tags are engaging and match search terms. When you're satisfied with your selections and settings, click on the Continue button. Review the summary of your ad setup to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Submit button to launch your Etsy ads campaign. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly to adjust your budget and listings as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively connect Etsy ads to your listings and enhance your conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.